Hello everyone. In this video we will be talking about STT and speech to text. Okay. So basically now everyone is moving towards agentic AI, right? I am trying to cover an agentic AI use case for the voice agents. So you must have seen there are a lot of voice agents today. So bots are calling you. So bots should have the capability to listen to you, then to understand and then to reply to you. That's mean to talk to you, right? So there are three components to this. The first component is speech to text. That is what the user is speaking. Bot should be able to listen to it, right? So there are various options to it. For speech to text there are various open source options, and that there are various paid options. So we'll be seeing one open source option and one or two paid options. So in this video we are checking the speech to text open source option, which is free, which is the OpenAI Whisper. So there are a lot of Whisper models in market. You can check and try which one is working for you. Okay, so in this video I have tried with OpenAI Whisper large v3 turbo model. Okay, so I'll just a simple code. I'll put the collab notebook in the comments. You can see in the description and you can check it. Okay, so in this video what the code is doing, I'll first edit the imports. Okay, then I set the device. So if you have a GPU, which is the practical use case, you can put device CUDA 0, CUDA 1, or if you want to run it on CPU, you can simply mark it as CPU. Okay, then this is setting the torch d type, which is basically the data type. So if you have a CUDA, so it's mapped to float 16, which is a 16-bit floating point for fast running it or taking comparatively low GPU memory. Or if you are running on CPU, then just load it in the default 32-bit floating point. Okay, then I have specified the model name. Okay, and I have loaded the model in the memory, and I have mapped model to which device. So this will now load my model to CPU or GPU basis, if I have the CUDA is available or not. Okay, so CUDA is the library for GPU. You can simply, for beginners, CUDA is the library for GPU. So normally people use it interchangeably. Okay, so now this I am loading the processor. Processor is nothing in a very simple terms, extracting features from inputs and tokenizing the output. So in this case, what this Whisper does, OpenAI Whisper does, it's taking speech as input and giving text as output. So the processor job is to extract features from audio, from the speech that we've given it, which is the MEL spectrograms or whatever, basically converted into tensors what model can understand. Okay, then model outputs the tokens. Then the processor job is to convert those tokens to text, which we can read. Okay, now this is the pipeline, Hugging Face pipeline I've created. I'm assuming since you are here, you must already be knowing about Hugging Face. It provides the generic libraries using transformers. Okay, and I've written a create a Hugging Face pipeline for automatic speech recognition, ASR. So ASR is STT is also known as ASR. Okay, automatic speech recognitions. This is the audio path. I've audio file you can simply write, and this is the code which is actually generating doing speech to text, and I'm going to run it for you. So this will take time because it's loading the model to GPU. I am running it over GPU. This run pretty fast on GPU, hardly take 100 milliseconds, but if you run it on CPU, this will take time. Okay, and as soon as I run it, it converts the text. All right, then run it. Let's get started with the basic information like course and whatever it's written. Okay, so this is the basic example for this. This works pretty well for English language, especially for US or British accent, but basis for Indian accent, this might not work well, especially for Indian accent, right? So in the next video, I'll show you how you can fine tune this model using some data set, and I've tried it for the Indian accent using a data set, and it works decent. There's a lot of improvement when we talk to Indian users, and they speak in English. So we have seen a definite gain in accuracy for this. Okay, so that's it for this model. In the comments, I'll share the collab notebook, and you can definitely try this. Okay, thank you guys. Have a nice day.